Hello guys, again welcome to the 14th HTML tutorial. In this video I'm going to be teaching you about the header and the footer. If you are studying Microsoft Word, you will know what the meaning of header and footer is. Header and footer is that text that is in the top side of the web page or the top side of a document. Like a header and footer can be somewhere in a web page, like this place, or somewhere in the web page below. So we're gonna create our first header and footer, which is the header and footer tag as just the header, which is this. The header, them out insert anything, which is $14. I will save this. I will refresh my page. Let me keep this to its normal size. You can see it has a header. It's a header, but let me write what we call the H1. Okay. HTML tutorial 14. I will save again. I'll go to my browser and refresh the page. You can see the header is different from the H1. The header is different from the H1. Let me create a footer and see the difference. The footer. I'll just copy this, paste it, and after the footer I'll just write the H6, which is the smallest heading, and paste that. I will refresh my page, and you can see this. This is the footer. This is the footer. Let me remove the footer and I'll save my page again. I'll refresh the page. You can see it. There's no footer, but when I add my footer, I save the page. You can see it. You can see the footer is this. The H6 is this. Let me take the H6 above the footer. I'll just do this. Paste it, and I'll remove this. Save it. Hit the save button again. Refresh the page. You can see it. The header is bigger than the H6. Let's start this a little bit with what we learned in the last video, which is the body style. The background color, just black. I'll add this like a H arrow. Add this a H arrow again, and a H arrow. Okay, then we'll do that again. A H arrow and a H, not J arrow, H arrow. So we'll do that. Let's hit the save button. Refresh our page. Okay, the reason why our text isn't shown is because our text is black in color. So let's change the color of the background. So let me say the color orange or orange red. I'll save again, and let's look at the page. You can see it. I'll save. You can see it. You can see the difference between these. Let me just insert the green. That's a good color. I will refresh my page. That's good. You can see that the two headings are the same, but the H1 and the H6 are the same above too. If you observe, you can see that the H1 doesn't just make the word bigger or make it a heading, it also makes the word bold, like the case of the B tag or the strong tag. The H1 tag to the H6 tag is also important, like the tag of the like the strong tag. So that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.